Hey everyone, welcome back to Analyst Sultan. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to your WordPress website, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Whether you are looking to drag conversion, optimize your ads, or retarget user, this is a crucial step for any digital marketer or business owner. First things first, let's grab your Facebook Pixel ID. Head over your Facebook Event Manager. If you have not created your Pixel yet, please check on this video description or click on the I button above. Watch this previous video where we discuss about how to create Facebook Pixel ID. Now let's move on connecting Facebook Pixel on your WordPress website. First of things, you need to create a GTM web container. So firstly need to go tagmanager.google.com, then create a tag manager account, enter your container name and select this web platform. Install the GTM code on your website. Now follow this video process step. This is Google Tag Manager website. Firstly need to click create an account, then first name for your Google Tag Manager account, organic store, then select your business country. Now need to click here share data anonymously with Google's and others platform, then need to give a name your container settings. My container name is organic store. This is the web container, so I need to select web, then click create. This is the Google Tag Manager terms of service agreement. You need to select this. I also accept this data processing and GDPR, then click on yes. Our Google Tag Manager account and web container create done. This is the Google Tag Manager GTM ID. You need to paste this code on your website header section, and this code need to paste your website body sections. I need to complete this process on my website. You will connect GTM ID on your website. You can follow these 3 steps. Paste your GTM code on your website theme.edit file, and another one is header, footer and plugin use, and I want to use the GTM for WP plugins. So let's get started. So firstly I need to connect our Google Tag Manager with our website. So firstly need to go our website backend. This is my website. I need to go back my website backend. This is my website backend, and then click on plugin sections. I need to add a new plugin, so click on plugin section, then search on GTM for WP. I need a plugin for connect GTM on my website, and click on install now. GTM for WP, a Google Tag Manager plugin for WordPress. Our website is GTM for WP plugin added done. Then I need to click settings. Enter your Google Tag Manager ID here. Use comma without space to enter multiple IDs. So I need to go back our Google Tag Manager website. Then I need to copy GTM ID. This is the GTM ID. Then paste here. Then need to click save changes. If you see that our container code turn off, so I need to turn on this, then click again save changes. Then go back to your Google Tag Manager, then click on preview sections. Now paste your website URL. This is my website URL. Then need to connect. Then click on Google Tag Assistant and click here. If you see that our GTM plugin is here, so our Google Tag Manager ID connected with our website. Now I need to connect Facebook Pixel ID on our website, so I need to copy our dataset ID. Already copy this, then click on tags, then again click new. I need to add a plugin for connect with our website with Pixel ID. Then search here Facebook Pixel. This is the Facebook Pixel, so I need to add to workspace. Now paste here your Pixel ID, then triggering all pages, then click save. If you click here review, then go to your website, click on Facebook Meta Pixel. You will see that our Facebook Pixel connected with website. So our setup is perfectly okay. You will find this Meta Pixel helper and Google Tag Assistant on Chrome Store. If you will search here Google Tag Assistant extension, you will find this extension. You need to add your Chrome And that's it, you are successfully connected to your pixel on your WordPress website. Now you can start tracking user behavior, optimizing your ads, and targeting visitor for better conversion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends or business partner. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video where we dive deeper into Facebook ads and digital marketing tips. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification so you never miss an update from Analyst Sultan.